Guess where we are today? Absolutely, you guessed right. We are here at T-Junction, Abakpa-Nike. That's T-Junction from Transekulu. And due to popular demand, we are here to make this video. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are at T-Junction, and due to popular demand we decided to come here and make a video. And guess what, guys, we bought a new drone, so we are testing it out as well. Please rate us. If you like this video already, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you've not. We are at T-Junction today. T-Junction in Nike, that's Amangu Road, that Nsukka Road, coming from Ababa Liberty straight down there, and to the right, you see that curve down there, to that right is the Transekulu Road. And this is the project the governor began as about a year ago, I think around March last year. This junction was closed and then this flyover commenced. This is a welcome development, and you can see 1 year later, I think we are almost complete. See the beautiful city of Enugu. I just love this view, don't you? And imagine the rate of traffic or improvement this road, this flyover has brought to this place. There used to be a lot of traffic before on this junction because it's one of the major routes out of Enugu towards, Abuja, the north, Nsukka, this particular road. And now the governor has fulfilled on his promise. And look at this, the road is almost complete. Isn't it lovely? I think it is. Now, as a real estate guy, I'm imagining how the value of properties down this road is going to appreciate. And as you can see from this video, this area is already congested, right? And so a lot of traffic or people or houses, they are moving towards Early Estate, towards Ugoku, towards Abakpa-Nike, towards Abakpa-Nike. And of course, we have lands and properties around all those places. So I thought to just bring you this video today. It's a short one to just give you an update of what is happening in this bridge and on this road right now. I'm sure you like this brief update. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll bring you more of these updates from time to time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Yes, I am Anozie and I'm your real estate consultant. It's right here in Enugu, but we cover properties in Owerri, Oka, Abakaliki and Enugu right here. So if you're looking for a property, please send a message to that number right there or call us on 0809-673-7668, and definitely we will hook you up with your best budget. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can see more of it. And if you're looking for, if you want us to create a video for any other place in Enugu, please let us know in the comment section. I will sure try to make that work. Till then, enjoy a fantastic day and bye for now.